I'm ready to set up my passion planner for the week of January 26th. I have some stickers, some coordinating highlighters, and these Happy Planner box stickers that match pretty well. So stick around and let's get started. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Tammy, if we have not met yet. I am setting up my passion planner as sort of a storybook fairy tale theme this week, and I'm going for these muted pastel tones. I have some washi tape I'm going to use as well that I found that I think match pretty well, and I have this thicker washi that I'm probably going to use as well. So I use my passion planner as a memory planner mainly. I do put some appointments in and whatnot, and you might see some planning, but I think in this particular spread, I'm filming in advance and I don't know all my plans for the week. So this is going to be more of a setup video so that I'll be ready for plans when they come. I have been enjoying using washi tape over a lot of these black areas that are like the headers that are already pre-printed on the passion planner. I don't really mind them so much, but I think it's more fun to have them covered up. So that's what I'm going to do. And a little bit of white out under this particular washi helps because it's very see-through. And you'll see that I double it up because I just want to make sure you really can't see through it. I've been using some of the 5mm washi tape on the hourly time strips that are pre-printed. So I don't really plan hourly, so I don't mind doing that. I'm not necessarily against the hours. I like to use this more as like a lined vertical planner. I like that it's bound. I like the paper. So there's reasons I did pick the passion planner. So I just work around it and decorate it this way. So how are you doing? Are you enjoying your winter weather where you live? I know where I live has been cold and snowy and just wintry. I don't know about you, but spring is my favorite season. I love when it starts to turn warm and the flowers start coming out. It's just my favorite. I just love it. And I am looking forward to having spring come back. I'm the kind of person that gets excited to see the first robin of the season. When I start to see the buds on the trees, it all just makes me happy. But for you winter lovers, we still have to get through February. And for most people, even some of March is wintry. So we'll just continue to wear our warm sweaters and sip our hot coffee, which you can see I have right next to me. All right, so I have my washi tape on my hourly strips, and I'm going to take this blue and cover up this section here because I only had one blue strip on there. So that just adds a little bit more. I like to get this part done first because then I feel like it's set up to add stickers now. So for my stickers, I went on Canva and found some images that I liked, and I printed them out on sticker paper and then used my Cricut machine to cut them. I got the idea for this theme by looking at one of those websites about national holidays. I think there was one, I believe it was in January, but right now I can't even remember the date and I got things mixed up, but I believe I saw one that was an International Imagination Day or something like that. And I have never done a spread like this before. So I thought, why not? That sounds kind of fun. My daughter Elora, who is 4 years old, really liked the idea herself, and she requested that I put in a dragon egg. So you will see that I did find a dragon egg to put on this spread. And this is just one of the ways I use my passion planner as a memory keeper, because later on when I look at this spread, I'm going to remember the conversation I had with my daughter about the dragon egg and how she wanted that on there. It's just going to bring me back to when she was this 4-year-old little girl who loved imagination and play, and I like the way that makes me feel. So I want to record that. I want that somewhere where I can look back at that and all those memories flash back. It's just a good feeling. I'm a little bit of an older mother, and I am just soaking in these moments with my littles. I have teenage sons. I even have one son who is an adult. My adult son has developmental delays, which does make him very childlike, but he is still an adult. And I had 2 children later in life. I am remarried to a man who really wanted to have his own children, and I guess God saw it fit to give him that. So here we are. But as a result, I've learned a thing or two over the years. And part of that is they don't stay little for very long. I really do know that. And I am taking moments to just enjoy what I have right now. So I say all of that just to reiterate that this is like a memory planner to me, or tracker, I guess. Is it a tracker or a planner? I don't know, but whichever, it's a very special book to me. That, and I'm really enjoying doing these setups with you. So I'm glad that you're here. All right, let's turn our attention back to the spread. I have a frog, like the Frog Prince, and of course I had a mermaid in there. I love the Little Mermaid. I grew up with the Little Mermaid. I have a dragon, of course, and a knight. And of course I had to find a princess, and I found this castle. I'm kind of making a little story on the page. These sticker books with the boxes, I have several of them like laying around. I just need to go through my stash, really. So I'm just going for it. Do I know what I'm putting in these boxes yet? No, I don't. But I have really relaxed using these and found I can put something in there. Like, I'm going to find some reason to use the box that day. It could just be a gratitude. It could be the weather, whatever. It'll be something. And at the end, I have found I really enjoy looking at it afterwards. There are these quote stickers in these box sticker books that I have not really used. And because they match so well, I'm going to use them on this spread because they just look good. Like, they match. And the one here is just Think, Dream, Plan. I think that kind of matches the theme anyways. The other one I put down there, which I don't really think you can see it very well, it says Do Your Best. That one, again, it just matches pretty well, and it's a positive thing to say, something nice to read that day. And I have this Hello Today, which I figured why not put that on a Monday. So it's really starting to come together now. And I'm liking what I see. I'm going to continue to put a few more boxes down, as well as some stickers I still have. And I'm going to do some layering with my boxes and my stickers, as you'll see here. I'm just trying to decide where to put what box and where I want to put different stickers. I'm considering what will look good, but I'm also considering what kind of things I'll be putting in these boxes, that type of thing. So I'm trying to alternate the colors of the boxes so that it's kind of spread evenly over the whole spread. So if you're wondering, this is a large passion planner, and the reason I picked it is because I wanted a lot of writing space. I actually really like the size of this planner, even though I'm also into smaller planners, but for this one, the large size is just right. So if you are interested in making stickers, you do have to measure your spaces just to see how big or little you need to go. I'm still trying to figure all of that out. I'm having fun with it, but you do have to measure. I'm finding I'm doing more math these days than I usually do. But it is fun to think up different themes and find pictures and whatnot to decorate a planner spread. I think it's fun. This is part of my hobby as well. This gives me peace. This gives me joy. So that's why I do it. If you're more of a minimal planner, I mean, that's great. I think that there's planners look good and all that, but I'm having fun with this. So that's why I use all the stickers. That, and I love color. It's just nice to open up my book and see a colorful spread. This one is much muted. I really like it. It's pleasing to the eye. I go back and forth in aesthetics. You'll find that I have different things that I do like. I'm okay with that. So, I am who I am. I think the one thing I can safely say that you won't see me using is any horror type themes. That's just not me. And I do have other stickers in my stash, so I do need to pull out some of those and use them up. I'm just having fun using my Cricut lately. But anyways, here's the dragon egg. I feel like I'm making a spread for a dragon egg, to be quite honest with you. But yeah, there it is, near the dragon and the knight. All right, if you've made it this far, could you do me a favor and put an emoji in the comments, either a dragon or a mermaid or a frog or a crown, some kind of fairy tale emoji. I would love it, and I'm curious to see which you pick. It could even be a book emoji. Hey, and thank you for doing that. It's what the algorithm likes, so it does help me out, and I really appreciate you taking a moment to do that. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me today. If you've made it this far, you are amazing, and I truly appreciate your support. I've got some really exciting content coming up, and I just can't wait to share it with you. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those videos. I have been working on some amazing theme ideas for my February spreads in this passion planner, and I think you're going to love it. Plus, I am going to be sharing some planner lineup changes with you shortly, so make sure you stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button because it does help support my channel, but it also lets me know that you like this type of content. Okay, I'm going to just go ahead and put a few finishing touches on the weekly spread. I did print out some butterflies. I just thought that the color scheme matched, and butterflies are always pretty, right? Layering it there with that box. I'm almost done. Unfortunately, part of my planner's out of the view of the camera. Ugh, I need to do better with that. I apologize. But I will leave a picture so you can see the entire spread. But I am really liking this. It's super cute. It's fun. And it's totally something I never would have done before, so I'm definitely stepping out of my comfort zone this year. I think that's a good thing. How about you? Have you stepped out of your comfort zone in 2025? What kind of themes are you going for this year? Yep, here's a little rainbow. Yeah, so it's totally storybook girly kind of theme. It's pretty. I don't know if you can see, but I also put some little music notes over by my mermaid because of course she sings. Hey, it's all about enjoying the little things, folks. If you're interested in more weekly Passion Planner setups, I do have a Passion Planner playlist. I'll go ahead and link that for you so you can watch that next. Thank you again for joining me on my channel, Coffee and Stickers. My name is Tammy, and I'm really looking forward to having you join this community. So again, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.